To silence notifications on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you have to open the settings. Now go below into the focus mode, which is available over here, and now go for Do Not Disturb mode. Over here, go for applications, and you have to select this only for the first time. After that, you will be able to turn it on by using a switcher. So click here and select every application that you want to silence notifications. So in my case, let's say I want to silence like everything. So I have to just go over this and click on it. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't actually include the all button at the top for some reason, which is actually very common in the Android devices. Now click here to confirm. And now as you can see, all of those apps don't send you any notifications. Just make sure that you select silent notifications from, just like this. Now you can just go back, and if you still want to receive some calls, you have to actually allow notifications from, for example, allow calls from favorites or everybody. And then now you can also mark some specific contacts. Then you can just go back. And right now you can even set this as a schedule. So in my case, it will be turned on automatically from 11 a.m. into the 7 p.m. You can customize it any day, anytime, and you can add multiple schedules. So now if you want to turn it on, you have to just go here in the control center and select the Do Not Disturb mode. There we go. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.